Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox keyboard ASMR. First, understand that the goal is to capture the satisfying sounds of virtual key presses. This involves a combination of in-game settings, external recording equipment, and careful post-production. We'll cover everything from choosing the right microphone to fine-tuning your audio for that perfect, crisp sound. Get ready to create immersive auditory experiences for your audience. To begin, a high-quality microphone is crucial. Consider a condenser microphone, which captures a wide frequency range, or a dynamic microphone for focused sound. Position it about 6 to 12 inches from your keyboard for optimal pickup. You'll also need recording software like OBS Studio for screen and audio capture, or Audacity for audio only. Ensure your audio input levels are set correctly, aiming for around -12 to -6 decibels, to prevent clipping and ensure clear sound. Within Roblox, adjust your in-game sound settings to maximize keyboard click volume while minimizing other ambient noises. Experiment with different virtual keyboards or typing animations available in various Roblox games, as some produce more distinct sounds than others. Practice consistent and gentle key presses to create a rhythmic and soothing effect. Focus on individual key sounds, like the spacebar or shift key, which often have unique audio profiles. This attention to detail significantly enhances the ASMR quality. After recording, the editing process refines your ASMR. Use software like Audacity or Adobe Audition to reduce background noise and apply equalization, boosting frequencies around 2,000 to 5,000 Hz for crispness. You might also add a subtle reverb effect to create a sense of space. Export your final audio in a high-quality format, such as WAV or a high bitrate MP3, at a sample rate of 44.1 kHz. Finally, share your unique Roblox keyboard ASMR on platforms like YouTube or TikTok to connect with your audience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.